Traditional hair removal routines can be tedious, painful, and expensive over time. Shaving may last a day, waxing a couple weeks, but none of these methods are a permanent solution.
I tried electrolysis, I tried, waxing, and nothing worked. And it's just at the point where I just couldn't take it anymore.
Cynosure's Elite MPX is getting to the root of the problem. It's a revolutionary new technology for a variety of aesthetic applications, which includes the removal of unwanted hair fast and painlessly, using integrated cooling for the ultimate patient comfort. This groundbreaking technology allows for the selection of optimal wavelengths, faster treatment sessions, and treatment customization designed specifically for each patient. According to experts at the American Society of Aesthetic Plastic Surgery, laser hair removal is one of the top non-surgical procedures available today.
Laser hair removal is not only popular, it is the most rapidly growing procedure in the United States today for cosmetics. So it's becoming mainstream, getting more mainstream every day, and our patients are coming in asking for it.
I was really just tired of shaving and dealing with rapid hair growth. I would shave about every other day, sometimes every day if I wanted it very smooth.
The Elite MPX works by emitting gentle pulses of energy through the skin into the hair follicle, making it impossible for the hair to regrow. The beauty of the Elite application is that hair removal can be applied to all areas of the body and on all types of skin, even tanned or dark.
Now, of course, we would only use a YAG laser on injury, and what's so nice is that with the Elite laser, we have two wavelengths in the box, so I can treat any skin color of any patient who would walk in the door. Whether I need to use the YAG as I do with darker skin types, or to use the Alexandrite as I would on lighter skin types.
Patients admit there's only a tiny bit of discomfort.
There's no pain. It feels like there's somebody just got a rubber band, but it's no pain.
You do know something's happening, but is it jump out of the chair? No, you hardly even flinch.
It's hard to describe. I mean, as it's going over your face, it feels like like you're getting pinched a little bit, but it's not something that's uncomfortable. Not to me. It works. That's a fact.
What the Elite gives us is the ability to treat every skin type. So it truly is a universal hair removal device. The Alexandrite will allow us very fast and relatively painless hair removal with the air cooling system, and then with just the push of a button with just software on the machine, it'll switch over to the 1064, and then we can treat dark hair on dark skin, even on the darkest skin type.
Although a series of treatments is recommended, patients often notice a significant reduction in hair after just one treatment.
After the first session, you can really see a difference.
I definitely saw some major results the first time I came in.
It's like, so why are you shaving every day?
This laser technology is also used to help minimize bothersome leg and facial veins.
Wow. Awesome.
Like that. The Elite workstation treats spider veins by using hemoglobin as the target for the laser energy. So we deliver the laser energy to the blood vessel, the hemoglobin absorbs the laser energy, heat is created, and from inside the vessel is destroyed and scarred. We're actually able to eliminate the visibility of a lot of these vessels at the time we're treating it, so the immediate reward for the patient is very gratifying.
I had some minor facial vessels around my nose that I wanted to have removed. Not too troublesome, but you can cover them with makeup, which is usually fine, but when I'm out playing sports or I don't have makeup on and I look in the mirror, my eyes always seem to go there. I'm hoping that the vessels will be gone.
The Elite uses a laser to target the vein with tiny energy pulses, leaving the surrounding tissue untouched. The blood vessel will in time disappear naturally.
About a year ago, I had this vessel pop up on my cheek, and it absolutely drove me crazy. I don't know, friends told me it wasn't a big deal, but I knew it was there. I kept trying to cover it with more makeup, and then finally I just got to the point where I was just like, I want to remove it.
If you're an active person, chances are you spend more than your fair share of time in the sun. And if you're over 30, you're more than likely to show signs of premature aging due to sun damage. With the Elite MPX aesthetic workstation, you can now treat sunspots, pigmented lesions, and overall skin texture, making you look better than you have in years.
I can do skin rejuvenation procedures, a laser facial procedure. It's an anti-aging procedure that stimulates collagen production and makes the skin a bit smoother, reduces brownness, reduces redness. Tell me about what you're trying to accomplish.
I'd really like to get rid of some of these fine lines and look younger.
Okay, that's very common. We do that all the time. We're also able to do the laser facial procedure, skin rejuvenation procedure, for reduction of pigmentation, reduction of redness in rosacea, making makeup go on smoother and improving collagen in the skin. And then last but not least, benign sun damage. We're able to treat these brown age spots on the hands, on the chest, and it's very important that we're always being certain that we're dealing with benign issues before we treat these, and once we know that, these patients are doing beautifully. Let's face it, we're in a society where appearance has become very important. People want to look their best.
So with the Elite MPX aesthetic workstation, you can be assured that you'll receive a comfortable and effective treatment, whether it be for the removal of unwanted hair, unwelcome spider veins and facial vessels, treatment of uneven skin tone and texture, or just getting a smoother and more revitalized appearance than you've had in years.
I had a lot of hair on my face, and it was just embarrassing. But when I came to Dr. Culkin, I knew that he was the right one for me, and so I'm great.
Do you feel like this has changed your life?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm really glad.
It's wonderful. I'm very pleased.
I would definitely recommend it to anybody that's having problems, or just the freedom of not having to shave. I love it.
You're welcome, my dear. My patients love the results. Sometimes they cry to us with their results. They say that they're life-changing. They are absolutely thrilled with their results. I can say, I'm not overstating this, they're thrilled.
The Cynosure Elite MPX, getting to the root of the problem. For more information, please contact Cynosure at 1-800-886-2966 or visit us on the web at www.cynosure.com.